Today's 2 Minutes of Science is also Analog World, and this is about a line following car. What this is basically is a very simple wind-up car that has tabs on either side of the chassis so that they can pick up these raised places on the track and recognize when it needs to turn. Basically, it uses the metal part of the track to pull it around and face it in the right direction. Now, this is pretty easy as long as it hits every point in the track. The tracks are kind of angled as it reaches it to make sure that it has a smooth transition onto the metal fittings that guide it and direct it where it's supposed to go. As you can see, even at relatively high speeds, the track is very effective in guiding it where it needs to be, and so it functions quite nicely. Now, this is in contrast to the pure digital format of the line following robot that we've done before that senses any line that you put in the road and tries to follow it. Now, back to our track car, our analog car, we want to see what happens if we put it in the reverse direction. That is, the track is meant to go in one way, but there's a tab on both sides of the car chassis, so it will actually go either direction. And as you can see, it functions quite nicely in either direction as a track car. Now, there's advantages to each. The digital, of course, has a battery and it works until the battery goes off, whereas the analog runs only as long as the winding provides it energy. How is this science? Well, a lot of engineering went into each part of this.